buddy.
I knew you were coming, but I had to play it off a little, you know what I mean?
A little bit. So I got one more impression for all these guys out here. I think they might know what's coming. All right, chums, let's do this. Jumbala, fill me with your rage. Oh, wait, no, that's not quite right. All right, chums, let's do this. Leeroy
Standing up and doing an impression of yourself. That's a weird way to make a living.
Not a lot of people can do that. It's pretty special.
Yeah. So we got big prizes for these people. The grand